Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica. Long time. Yes, thank you. You playing some tennis, man? What's going on? Welcome.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Dr. Hackett, we're here in Jamaica. How are you? Thank heavens, I'm so glad to be here. What up, boss? Happy New Year to you. Great to see another one bring us together.
Prepare for this.
Oh, you ready? You're in your JAHJAH cap.
I am in my JAHJAH cap.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Dr. Malika Banyapu, out of DC, coming from New York also, and I'm excited to be here for JAHJAH.
Right, so it's your second year.
Second year.
What made you come back?
The people, obviously. The people are the greatest part about JAHJAH.
Right. Well, we appreciate you and we look forward to having you on the volunteer team, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much. How many years have you been volunteering with the JAHJAH Foundation? 2015, it's now 2024. Roughly 9 years. Had a couple picnics here and there, missed a couple here and there, but COVID, a few years though, long time. Why do you keep coming back? Well, people are so nice, people are so friendly, there's work to be done, and I mean, who else is going to do it better than us? Well, I like it that you're here again with us in 2024, and I like it that as you came out of the plane, you got yourself a drink to cool and refreshing. Get the Jamaica hospitality going, right? Right, exactly. The people are good to me. Thank you very much for your continued volunteer work. We greatly appreciate you at the JAHJAH Foundation. Right? It's my pleasure, thank you.
Hi, I'm Emma Foley. I'm an ultrasound fellow at NBI.
Right. So it's your first year with the JAHJAH Foundation volunteering in Jamaica. What are your expectations?
To feel like I'm doing good.
Yeah, you want to give back.
Yeah.
Wait, were you in New York? Okay, well, thank you for joining the volunteer team.
Thank you for having
We
me.
appreciate you and we're looking forward to a good time. We're
Thank you.
Serving the people of Jamaica.
Thank you for having me.
Tobias, Dr. Tobias.
The Riverwalk was cool for like 5 days. Yeah. And the Alamo, that was cool. I went all around Texas history. That's cool.
Hi, I am Katisha Dillon.
From where?
Me TK.
Representing where?
Representing?
Bronx, New York.
Oh yes, I live in the Bronx currently.
Are you in Jamaica from?
Kingston, St. Andrew. You know, Maxfield area.
Okay, yeah.
Tell us, why did you decide to volunteer with JAHJAH Foundation?
Again, this is very personal to me. We've been working in EMS for almost 10 years. I am currently an RN, so I feel like my skills and stuff would be very useful here. And this is very close and passionate, personal to me.
Okay, well, we started again, like you supported again. I know you're volunteering the mission.
Yeah.
Shows how things go amazing, right?
Yeah.
Right, so thank you for being on board, and we're looking forward to your great work here to the beautiful people of Jamaica, okay?
It's not amazing, it's called JAHJAH Works. JAHJAH Foundation. Remember that.
Oh, the flow of the volunteers been going here, Andy.
Pretty steady, unfortunately some of the flights are a little bit delayed, but other than that, the flow of the volunteers is good.
Well, it's a good thing that we're a patient bunch, aren't we, Karen?
Oh yes, very patient, very patient.
Okay, thank you very much. Here comes the JAHJAH squad. Hello!
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 Hi!
JAHJAH is in the building.
Yes!
Welcome.
How are you?
Oh my gosh, Richie, what's up, brother?
We're back.
Is it the rest in here?
No, I don't see no.
It's going great, great.
Yeah?
JAHJAH Works. Boom, all that.
I
got to go.
I came prepared, okay?
I have on another thing, another JAHJAH shirt. Oh, look at that.
I came prepared.
Look at that. JAHJAH times 2.
I came prepared.
Where are you?
Where are you? Where are you?
Kingston, Jamaica, for the 2024 Mission for Change with the JAHJAH Foundation.
Come aboard. Thank you very much. Royal welcome, royal welcome. Hey. What's up, man? What's up? Hold up. Give you a hug. How are you? Good. building. What's up? What's up? Big up yourself. Oh, big up yourself, bro. Oh yeah, man. How are you? In the building.
Welcome. How are you? I'm good. Good to see you. Welcome.
Oh, good to see you again.
Welcome.
Tell us again your country that you're from.
I'm from Barbados, the beautiful island of Barbados.
Barbados is such a nice island. I've been there. Really nice.
Exactly.
Okay, tell us why you keep coming to Jamaica to volunteer with the JAHJAH Foundation.
Because I realize that it's a work that is needed and it's something that I love to do. I love to give back to my own people, and it's my way of giving back. You know what I'm saying? My way of giving.
We appreciate you. You understand, brother? We appreciate you.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys too.
Jamaica appreciate you, right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Looking forward to a great mission.
Yep.
Nurse Rose Green.
Yes, sir.
How was your flight down?
Excellent. Outside the delay, yeah, it was fun.
Okay.
I was very happy when I saw the sunshine.
So tell me, you have been volunteering at JAHJAH Foundation for how many years now?
I think eight years, yeah.
Why do you keep coming back?
Oh well, this is my native land, and JAHJAH Foundation is an excellent foundation that's doing something to improve the health care in Jamaica, and I enjoy giving back and offering my service to my people, that part of the diaspora.
Okay, well, I want you to know that we appreciate you and keep up the great work, all right?
Thank you. I'll continue to serve JAHJAH Foundation.
Thank you.
I'm Amir Shed, physician over at Jacoby. Coming down for the JAHJAH trip.
First time?
First year, it was last time, yep.
Why did you come back?
Oh, I loved it so much the first time. I had to come back and do it again. To give back to the community. Love to be out here educating people. Yeah.
We appreciate your volunteer work.
100%.
And we thank you for coming here to help the people of Jamaica. Okay?
Anytime. My pleasure.
Cheyenne, she's from the Bronx, NCB, Bronx. Okay?
Hello.
And she's not going to stay with us. She won't be with us on Saturday, okay? She's leaving us on Saturday to do a personal thing, just so you know, okay?
Dr. Emma Guzman. I am from Brooklyn. So I do, yes, big up Brooklyn. I am not from any hospital system. I am in private practice.
Right, so you have Jamaican heritage?
I do not.
Okay, which country?
My family's from Guatemala.
Where?
Guatemala.
Guatemala. Big up
Yes.
Guatemala.
Yes.
Family.
Yes.
So my question to you now is, it's your first time here in Jamaica?
Yeah. Not my first time in Jamaica.
With the JAHJAH Foundation?
First time with the JAHJAH Foundation, yes.
Right. What are your expectations here?
My expectations are to work hard and to serve the people of this country.
Okay, well, we thank you for your volunteer work.
I know, I want my arm
And
to
we really appreciate it, okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Cheyenne Miller. I'm from the Bronx. I work at NCB. I'm a PA.
All right,
North Central Bronx Hospital.
All right, big up yourself.
Thank you
for
thank
choosing
you.
the JAHJAH Foundation to
Of
volunteer to give
course.
back in Jamaica.
Of course.
Why was it so important for you to be here?
Well, my family's from here. My family's from Portland. I'm Jamaican myself.
from
Yeah.
Portland too?
Really?
Yeah, big up Portland.
Big up,
From
big
Buff
up.
Bay, Buff
From
Bay.
wow, I'm from like Chelsea, Swift River,
I know
that
there.
side.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know
that's where my family is.
Okay, well, on behalf of the beautiful people of Jamaica,
Yes.
which it's your heritage, we want to thank you for
Of course.
choosing the JAHJAH Foundation to volunteer.
Of course.
And what are your
Anytime.
expectations?
To help the people, give back, but also enjoy Jamaica and have a good time.
Well, thanks for coming in.
Of course.
It's sunshine, Kingston. Everybody's excited, everybody's happy. Everybody is enthusiastic to meet the new folks that they'll be working with. And then more importantly, they're excited to help the people of Jamaica.
Right, so why is it so important that the JAHJAH Foundation sends a welcoming party here to the airport to meet the volunteers?
You know, Jamaica, you know, I mean, it's nice when you come off a plane, you see a group of people waiting for you. A lot of anxiety. Some people are going to Jamaica for the first time. They're going to be anxious, what it's like. So we just want to know that, you know, we're here to give them a warm welcome, and that's why we're here.
I'm getting a ride. Someone picking me up.
How are you?
I'm good,
Welcome.
good.
Welcome home.
Ready to work.
Ready?
I'm so used to. I'm wondering the people who are coming for the first time what they're thinking. But I know that as usual it's going to be a success.
So one last question. Why do you keep coming back?
Because I know that JAHJAH is providing a valuable service. It's not a waste of time. It's not a waste of money. Right. We come here and we reach out and we give back to the people of Jamaica.
And we appreciate you for your great service, all right?
Yes.
Thank you and welcome home.
Thank you.
Right.
This is Dr. Terry Tobias, hailing from New York, Beth Israel in New York, New Jersey.
Yes, yes.
And she's currently in Texas, practicing emergency medicine and ultrasound. And she's about to start a fellowship over there in Houston.
Yep, very excited. Thank you for the opportunity. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you for coming on board, all right?
Thank you.
Sure.
I did fellowship at Baylor, ultrasound fellowship, and then just I mean, yeah, I did mine. Yeah,
Welcome home. All right, guys. You guys have to...
First load of volunteers are loading up on the bus, get them to the hotel, they can relax, enjoy the beautiful scenery in Kingston, home city.
We have Mr. Matt Bean, the driver.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Matt Bean. Welcome. Good kid. Sorry.
All in all, I'd say everything was smooth as can be.
You're pleased with the number of volunteers?
It's amazing. I think we have more than we've ever had, just like we said before. And they were all enthusiastic. A lot of non-Jamaicans, but that's what they're here for, to spread the love the JAHJAH way and the Jamaican way.
JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home.